have made it to the hotel after some misunderstandings as far as which one we were going to. We went to the wrong one at first, but we made it. Push, push, push. Hey, we made it. Finally, finally. We finally made it. Hi, Damon. And look at this room. Oh, Tiffany, this is ours.
Girl. Why? All right, so.
This is so cute. I like it. Is someone in the bathroom?
No, no one's in the bathroom.
No, I think one of the
I
boys.
heard somebody.
Kyron, excuse me, ma'am. Why don't we have one of these?
I didn't even realize.
I like.
Well, the kids can be in
I like Tiffany.
Yes.
Look at you.
And I didn't even realize it.
Look at it.
The mirror?
Only if this was a different kind of trip.
Look, these are the ones.
Nina, I'm ready. You ready?
Oh my god.
I'm half.
Mommy, you're
I thought we were ready to change that lip color.
So our day turned out to be so fun and exciting. Like, we just, the time just kept on going and ran it. So we is going into Ikea. The crew is here. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So we made it up to this kitchen. It's a dream. I am in love. This island is like the perfect freaking size. I love it. So pretty. I saw that. No pages. This is so cute. This living room. This is cozy. You two look comfortable. We are now in the couches section. I don't need a couch, pero like we had to come check it out in the showroom. It's so cute. This is such a cute setup. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's go into the cafe. Oh, we're about to make our own business, and we're gonna have our own cafe. And they have everything that we will need at Ikea. That is very pretty. This is so cute.
Tiffany thought this was a real store.
No. Oh shit. Office space. That table is nice.
Yeah, conference room.
Oh my, yes, conference room. That's what I was looking for. I love this. It's crazy how you can make so many, you can fill so many rooms and like decorate so many different things out of their stuff. It's unimaginable. This one, this is it. This is the kitchen for me. Oh, that stainless steel is so pretty. The menu, oh my gosh. Look, this is where they have all the stuff that shows like how it is, like the rains, all the specific details, the sinks, the lights. Come on. Look, they have a play area. Giselle.
Ooh, look what Aiden found we got.
my friend Stephanie. Say hi. So we have been out and about since like really early in the day. We're in McDonald's now. We're about to get something to eat real quick. And then we're gonna go to Primark. So this is Stephanie's first time going and we're so excited. I hope we find good stuff.
Yeah, me too.
So we were out like badge shooting photos. We went to Brooklyn and we got like some dope ass pics. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. If you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see the pictures. Make sure you follow Stephanie too because you know she got dope pics. She's a dope mom. So I'm gonna try to get some clips while we're in Primark because this is her first time. So we need memories.
Yeah, me too. I'm excited.
Me too. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're about to get our food now and then we'll be back later. We just got our McDonald's, but since there's no seating in the mall to eat, we have to stand and eat our food. We try to seclude ourselves from everybody. Everyone's on the floor, but I can't get down on the floor because I won't get back up. But we might check out that Five Below later because it looks huge. They have a Dunkin' Donuts in here. That's bomb. McDonald's and Chipotle. We're about to go in. So we walked in. The first area is the girls section. And she's about to go crazy to get stuff for her daughter. Because they have some cute stuff. We are on our way home and I decided to go on a little adventure. I remembered that the American Dream Mall was on our way home, so I said, you know what, let's turn around. Let's we had already passed it apparently. I said, let's go to the American Dream Mall. Nickelodeon's here, so we're gonna go check it out and I'm gonna go to Primark per usual. Kevin's not really with it, but he's gonna have to get with it. Looks like everyone's going that way.
My leg. So never again.
This way. The tickets are, you see over there it says tickets? Yeah, we can't enter until we get tickets. Well, I'm afraid of heights too, but don't you want to try it out? Being a party pooper. But I thought that he would want to do the rides and he doesn't.
Mom, don't you dare do that.
We are now inside of It's Sugar. And Carmen's looking around. Wait, that looks good. That's huge. Hold on, hold it up next to you. It's huge.
It's on the side of my head.
Yep. That's funny. Yeah, Sour Patch.
You want to get it, Mom?
No.
I can't say I'm
We're never gonna finish that one. Can't say never.
okay, forget it. It's $20.
Sundays. I'm so sad. And Carmen's leaving me because he's happy that Primark is closed. Oh, we went to It's Sugar, so he got a little something. You and your cars.
Yeah.
So we're done at the mall. Karen didn't want to do the Nickelodeon ride, so we'll come another time.
Well,
So we had a good time.
her plans were ruined, but mine were better.
You're a hater. He's a hater, y'all. Primark was closed, and I'm upset, and I'm sad, and I'm not feeling.
But I'm
And
happy.
he's happy because he didn't have to wait for me to shop at Primark.
And wait your hours on it.
So we have a problem. Because he's not playing his Xbox when we get home.
Wait, what? No. No.
Oh, man.
No,
Okay, so
Mom. No,
we're
I'm
done.
playing on it.
I'm going to take our asses home. That was a nice little adventure. This mall is dope. American Dream. If you're anywhere near, come check it out. It's nice. Just don't come on a Sunday because you ain't going to be able to shop. Okay? All the stores were closed. All of them.